The today's topic is Jwara, the first disease evolved in the history of a disease. So, how the Jwara is manifested? Jwara is the result of a Rudrakopa of Lord Shiva during the Yagna of Daksha Prajapati. So, what is the importance of this Jwara? Jwara is considered as a king among the disease because every living being on this universe will born with a Jwara and also die with a Jwara. So, what is the definition of this Jwara? Chakrapani in Charaka Nidhanasthana first chapter quoted that, commenting on Jwara Shabdena cha Deha Manaha Santapakaratvam. So Jwara Shabda is the one, Jwara is the such a kind of a disease which produces the Santapa, the trouble to the body and mind, both also. And what the Agnivesha quoted, Jwarayati Santapayati Sharirani iti Jwaraha. The disease causes the increased temperature of a body is nothing but the Jwara. So what are the Nidhanas? What are the cause of the Jwara to occur? Those are any Mithya Acharana or Vicharana, anything we done in a bad manner is cause for the Jwara. So let's see what are the Nidhanas. Mithya Acharana of Snehadi Panchakarma. Though improper methodologically carried out this Panchakarmas or Purva Karmas, Snehanas, Vedana and all, if we are done in a Mithya Yoga or Ati Yoga, they will cause the Jwara. And many of the Abhigatas, the accident, any kind of accident or wound, in anything you can take, when a patient or when someone's body is injured by something, he will be having a Jwara. By side effect, he will be always having a Jwara. And Shrama, by the exhaustion, also causes the Jwara. Vyayama during Ajirna, if one does the exercise more than his own strength or all, when he was having the Ajirna, that is indigestion, it will cause a Jwara. Sevan of Visha and Asatma Gandha. That is Visha Gandha, if we inhaled, that will also cause the Jwara. And Shoka, Krodha, Chinta, Bhaya, anything when it comes to the mental elements, if we done in a bad manner or excessive, that will definitely cause a Jwara. And Nakshatra Pida, Abhichara and Abhishapa, by the curse of a elder or a curse or a harsh words of somebody will definitely cause a Jwara. Mithya Upachara of a Prasuta woman, that is the wrong type of attainment of a lactating mother will cause a Jwara for that mother, and from her it will cause a Jwara to that her baby also, because she will breastfeed the baby. Now comes the Purva Rupa of a Jwara. So what are the symptoms a patient going to feel before the manifestation of actual Jwara? So he will feel Mukha Vairasyata, that is tastelessness of a oral cavity, Guru Gatrata, the heaviness in the body, Anannabhilasha, he is averted towards the food, and Ashru Agamana, Chakshushorakulatva. Because of the intense heat produced inside the body due to the Jwara, there will be a increased temperature, and when it comes to the eyes, it will be a Teja Mahabhuta predominant. It will easily get affected, and for maintaining the equilibrium, there will be a excessive tearing, and by that excessive tearing, there will be a tiredness to the eyes. And Nidradhikyata, there will be an increased sleep, and Jrumba, increased yawning, and Shrama, Brahma, Pralapa, Daurbalya. If a person done a simple thing or simple work, he will get very exhausted, very tired feeling. And Angamarda, there will be a body ache, Arochaka, he will be having a indigestion and loss of appetite. Uchita Karma Hani, Balebhyaha Pradvesha. Uchita Karma Hani means if I am doing daily regimens, I will definitely do my daily regimens. I will read, I will write, I will ask some lectures, and I will watch the TV or anything. Which are the works I'm doing on a regular basis. When the person is being in a Purvavastha of a Jwara, those all activities will be gonna hamper, because he will be having a very tiredness and a prakopa of a dosha inside his body, may not make him to be concentrated on a work. And already the author said that Jwara Sharira Manaha Santapa, it's not only concerned to the body, it's also concerned to the Manas. So Manas is under the Santapa, that's why there is a hamper for our daily regimen. And Balebhyaha Pradvesha. Usually all the human beings are attracted towards a baby, the small kids. So when it comes to the purvavastha of a jvara, he will be not averted towards that baby, and he will be like, take away that baby, take away that small kid from me. So there will be a balebhyaha pradvesha and madhura padartha dvesha amla lavana katu priyata. He will be liking the amla lavana katu ahara to eat, whereas he avoid the sweet products to eat. And lakshana of a jvara. So how the jvara will show its symptoms after the manifestation? There is nothing complicated is there. Jvarastha eka eva santapa lakshanaha. So jvara, how the jvara will show its symptoms? There is only one symptom, that is the raised temperature of a body is the main and one and only lakshana of the samprapti. What is the etiopathogenesis of this jvara? How the jvara is going to manifest, and what and all the different entities of a body going to involve in a jvara? How the jvara will act in our body? We will see now. Now nidhana sevana is done by me, and excessive stress I have taken, excessive exercise I have did, and I have eaten the improper diet and improper habituation I did. So that's why in my body prakopana of a dosha is going to take place. How the prakopana of dosha is there? The dosha prakopana will be in a jvara. Pitta pradhana tridosha will be there. So now the pitta pradhana tridosha enters the amashya, that are prakupita avastha. So now they were entered the amashya. After entering in the amashya, they will mix with the adya ahara dhatu, that is rasa dhatu. By that, they will cause the avarodha, obstruction to the rasavaha and svedavaha srotas. So there will be no chance to exit of a ushma, amashayota ushma, that's temperature, the digestive fire in the amashya to digest the food, because of the hampering of the digestive activity due to the mixing of prakupita dosha with the adya ahara dhatu further to metabolism. And now avarodha to taken place. So what happened by that avarodha? Amashayotta ushma, there were no place to go in a srotas, because of the rasavaha and svedavaha srotas get obstructed, which carry the ushma, and so that they will spread all over the body, causes the jvara. The jvara is nothing but the increased temperature is going to seen in our body. Samprapti ghataka of a jvara, the bodily elements involved in the jvara are, when it comes to the dosha, pitta pradhana tridosha, dusha is rasa, and shrotas is a rasavaha and svedavaha shrotas, and shroto dushti is sangha, that is avarodha of a rasavaha and svedavaha shrotas by the adya ahara dhatu with the prakupita tridoshas. And the vimarga gamana, that is amashayota ushma, spreads all over the body, that is vimarga gamana. And udbhavasthana, where the disease will origin, is amashaya, and sancharasthana is sarva sharira, and vektasthana is by the tvacha of the body, because we can palpate the increased temperature in the skin only. And ama will be there, amavastha will be there, and roga marga is abhyantara, and roga swabhava is ashukari, the sudden onset of the disease will be there. And what are the different kind of a classification of this jvara? There are mainly 8 types, 2 types, and the 7 types, and 5 types are there. So first one, 8 types involving the doshas. Those are Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Vata Pittaja, Vata Kafaja, Pitta Kafaja, Tridoshaja, and Agantuja. When it comes to the 2 types, Sharirika and Manasika, Saumya and Agneya, Antarvegi and Bahirvegi, Prakruta and Vaikruta. And when it comes to the 7 types involving the 7 dhatus, the Sapta dhatus, in particular jvara, there will be an involvement of a particular dhatu. Like that, there will be a 7 types of a classification. Vishama jvara, when it comes, it is the 5 types. Vishama jvara is nothing but the irregular fever we can take. So 5 types are there. Those are Satata jvara, Santata jvara, Anye Dushka jvara, Trutiyaka jvara, and Chaturtaka jvara.